Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I'm super excited today because we're diving into a game changer for your home, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. If you're tired of high energy bills or uneven temperatures in your house, stick around. This thermostat could be exactly what you need. And don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the best deal on this awesome device. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium so special. This isn't just any thermostat, it's a smart Wi-Fi enabled device packed with features to make your home more comfortable and efficient. It works with Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and even Apple HomeKit, so it fits right into your smart home setup. The premium model comes with a sleek touchscreen, a built-in air quality monitor, and a smart sensor to balance temperatures across your home. Plus, it's Energy Star certified, which means it's designed to save you money on heating and cooling. Now, let's break down the features. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium has a built-in air quality monitor that tracks pollutants and alerts you when it's time to improve your indoor air. That's huge if you've got allergies or just want a healthier home. It also has advanced radar sensors to detect occupancy. This means it knows when you're home and adjusts the temperature for comfort, then saves energy when you're away. The included smart sensor is a game changer. You place it in a room that matters most, like a bedroom or living room, and it ensures that space stays at the perfect temperature no matter how far it is from the thermostat. You can even add up to 32 sensors for larger homes. Another cool feature is geofencing. The Ecobee app uses your phone's location to know when you're leaving or coming home, so it can tweak the temperature automatically. Imagine walking into a perfectly cooled house on a hot day without lifting a finger. The thermostat also has Eco Plus mode, which optimizes your heating and cooling schedule to save energy during peak hours. Ecobee says this can save you up to 23% on your energy bills each year, which could mean hundreds of dollars in savings. And if you've got a smart speaker, you can control it with your voice, ask Alexa to turn up the heat, or Siri to cool things down. Installation is super easy too. Most people can set it up in about 30 minutes with the included guide and app walkthrough. It even comes with a power extender kit for homes without a C-wire, so you don't need to hire a pro. The Ecobee app lets you control everything from anywhere, your phone, tablet, or even your Apple Watch. Plus, it integrates with smart home systems like SmartThings and IFTTT for even more control. Now let's talk pros and cons to give you the full picture. Starting with the pros, the energy savings are a big win. That 23% savings claim is backed by Ecobee's Energy Star certification, and many users see real results on their bills. The air quality monitor is a standout feature. You won't find that in most thermostats, and it's great for health-conscious folks. The smart sensor is fantastic for fixing hot or cold spots in your home, especially in larger or older houses. Voice control and app integration make it incredibly convenient, and the sleek design looks great on your wall. On the con side, the price is a bit higher than basic thermostats or even some other smart models. You're paying for premium features, but it might feel steep if you don't need the air quality monitor or extra sensors. Also, some users have mentioned the app can be a little finicky with notifications, like getting alerts for minor issues. If you're not tech savvy, the setup might take a bit longer, though the instructions are clear. And if you want the full security features, like pausing your HVAC when a door is left open, you'll need an Ecobee Smart Security subscription, which adds a small extra cost. So, should you buy the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium? Absolutely. If you want a smarter, more efficient home, the energy savings, air quality monitoring, and room-specific temperature control make it worth the investment for most people. If you've got a big house, deal with uneven temperatures, or just love smart home tech, this thermostat is a no-brainer. It's especially great for families who want cleaner air or anyone looking to cut down on energy costs. The cons are minor compared to the benefits, and the savings could pay for the device in just a couple of years. Before I wrap up, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button if you found this review helpful. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to click the Amazon link in the description to grab the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium at the best price with special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. It's the easiest way to support the channel and get a great deal.